In this video we explain what artificial intelligence is and how it works. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like a digital brain that humans have developed to do tasks that humans normally do, such as thinking, learning, and making decisions. Imagine learning new things at school by reading books and doing exercises. Kior does something similar, but it uses huge amounts of data and information input by people. It analyzes this information and learns from it how to perform various tasks better. Kior can do many things, for example, play games, such as chess or Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, or improve train and bus schedules, or detect diseases and help doctors treat patients with them. Sometimes AI is even smarter than humans and can do things we can't do as quickly or as accurately. But don't worry, the AI is not like the robots from science fiction movies that want to conquer the world. Rather, it is a tool that helps us solve problems and make our lives easier. So, in summary, artificial intelligence is a technology developed by humans that functions like a digital brain. It learns from data and information to better perform various tasks and assist us in many aspects of life.